So to play Shape Arena, tap on Start Game or click on it, and you have different shapes which are worth different values. You have to sum the values and decide if reds or greens are worth more, and pick the color that's higher basically before the timer runs out. So let's try again. We have red, which is 2 plus 5, that's 7, and green, which is 5, 6, 8. So that makes green higher than red. Let's pick green. Okay, now we have 5 plus 1, 6, 5, 7, 9, 10. Green is 10. So we're going to pick green. I might be wrong. My math can be wrong. I'm not paying that much attention. But that's how you play the game. If you pick the wrong color, or if you don't pick a color before the timer runs out, the game ends. I just picked a random color. Yeah, I'm just picking random colors, I guess. So yeah, that's how you play it. And we picked a wrong color, the game ended, and now we have the option to try again. And yeah, that's it.